What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Genya. Whoa. Draw my Sharpie. Nice start. Genya from Demon Slayer. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil and eraser for these. Sketch it lightly. All that kind of stuff. Start with his eyes. So, center point of my page is about here. The eye line is going to be along that sort of center line, right? And he's got real big, dark eyes. So, let's just go for it, right? So, we're going to curve. A line up to there. And then this goes down to this spike down to there. Okay. And then we'll add the inside of his eye, so you just kind of go around that again. Like so. And then it goes around down to there. And then this is black all around this. Like so. So his iris it's a weird eye, right? So they're intense oval like eyes coming around like that, right? There's no pupil that I can see. They're just kind of gray inside there. And his eyebrow is just above his eye. So like real spiky kind of eyebrow here, right? Going like that. And then go back down. And this is black as well, I think. Maybe like an eyelid line or something. Just there. Okay, so then he's got like these frown lines in the middle, right? Sort of here. You know, and then his other eye will start just here, so real big. Right, so we're really close now. You are not in proportion. So you can't fit an eye in between here. It's probably even half, just half an eye will fit in between them. You do that same shape again. And then you go down around to there. You color it dark. Right, and then his oval-ish eye coming around like that again. And then eyebrow. Like so. And then he's got like lots of like stress lines and scratch lines and stuff like around his eyes, right? So he's like a real intense guy. Like that. Okay, and he's got a scar coming across his face, but we'll do his nose first. So like nostril lines. So he's got like a long one coming down there, and then a nostril on the right. And then we have like some hatching lines, you know, that Demon Slayer characters have. on their nose. And then his mouth, kind of like a standard sort of anime mouth, comes across and down the side. Right, real grumpy looking. And then he's got that Demon Slayer shadow underneath the chin. And then his chin just down here. Right. Now you can check proportions of things. Eyebrows, right, on this character to the nose is the same as nose to chin. Right, so here to here, about the same as here to here. So like the middle of his eyebrow. Okay, that's the same. And then nose, nostrils, do that bottom lip sort of area is the same as the bottom lip area to the chin. Here to here, about the same as here to here. So that's your standard sort of proportion. And then we can do the jaw. So the jaw goes up the side. Stop about mouth level. So you're aiming for like this space and underneath nearly the edge of the white of his eye there. Right? Because that's where you change direction. So it'll go up the side of his face then. Like that. So his ears come out just here. And like he'll have a little bit of a sideburn, but his side of his head is shaved, so not really much. Right. Now around to there. Over around to here. And then this goes around. Down like so. And then this goes up. Like that. And you can add more lines if you'd like. So he has that scar that comes across his face and all like veins on his forehead and stuff. But we'll do the scar first. So this scar, it's like a real spiky kind of, goes across his nose. Back into there, and you know, texture sort of inside just to show that it's scar tissue. Right, and then his hairline sort of spikes up this way. Stopping here, right, because he's got this big fringe that comes down. So we'll go like down this way. So like some more sort of shaved head here, and then a spike here. So that means, should we see like the side of his head? A little bit of the side of his head here. So like go up under there, under another spike, right? This goes back like so. And the side of his head on this side, around there, and then some spikes that stick up. Kind of flop down this way. Right, so if you wanted, you could leave him like that, but he has long hair in the picture I'm drawing from, so it's like growing out a little bit. So I'm going to add some coming down here. When we see him in the first arc, he has sort of just that sort of hair on top, but it gets longer. It kind of comes down beside his neck, down there, and kind of the same over this side. So we'll go like so. And then his neck on this side, coming down. His collar goes right underneath his chin. And the right rim of that. Right, and then probably goes around some necklines there. And then, so his collar kind of comes down this way. And then his jacket goes like down there. And then the closed portion of his Demon Slayer uniform with the button, like so. And then his shoulder goes out this way. The width of a man's shoulder is usually his face width. So the width of his face would bring you out to the side of the shoulder. You can normally fit 3 heads across, right? Depends on the character, but it's a rough guide, okay? So you want to go out there maybe, okay? When you're looking at a character straightforward, okay? Hair, it's like hair goes down behind as well. It's real long at the back. Oh yeah, and the veins on his head. He's an intense looking dude. Okay, but I think that'll do. That is how to draw Genya from Demon Slayer. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.